Welcome to the XexLift My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus male enhancement brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about XexLift? Blah blah blah, brr brr brr. What is XexLift? What are advantages of XexLift? What are disadvantages of XexLift? Could XexLift amp your sex life? How it works. XexLift. XexLift have any special discount? How to use XexLift. XexLift free trial available now? What are XexLift ingredients? How safe effective is this product? XexLift have any side effects? XexLift real customer result. Where to buy XexLift? How much cost? Does XexLift is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the XexLift? I will clear your all question/confusion about the XexLift. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link. Know complete information about your confusion.